Hey guys, welcome back to WP Event Manager. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how the event-based selection works when syncing your registrations or contact organizer list with Sendinblue in a auto mode. Okay, so is this going to be like two-part video where in first one, we're going to show the automatic mode, and in the second mode, I'm going to show you the manual mode. Okay, so as you can see, I am already logged into the website and I am in the event dashboard. So over here, if I go to Sendinblue, then settings, you will find like by default we are using the global list or your first list. That's like default list from Sendinblue. You can select any list if you would like over here. That's doesn't matter. But this is meant to be like whatever contact list or like contact organizer data, registration data, they all gonna sync to this your first list by default if you select a specific list from this drop down over here. Okay, and the mode is set to auto and the hook is set to when new created. So this event based selection or the global list selection, it will work both for auto mode and manual mode, and when in auto it will work the same for when new created and cron job. Okay, so we are set to when you created, that's good enough for the demonstration. Since cron job will we have to wait for like the cron job to run. So let's do one thing. What we're gonna do, we're gonna select the event based selection. So that's the main goal today, and we're gonna save settings over here. Now let me show you what we have to do to sync your events to different lists in Sendinblue. Okay, so the Sendinblue, Mailchimp, HubSpot, all the like CRM plugins we have, they all support the same feature. You can sync your like contact organizer data, your guest list data, your registration data to a specific list for your specific event. That's possible. So we're gonna demonstrate that today. And Sendinblue lets you create like multiple lists in the free version as well. So that's pretty convenient for this demonstration. So let's go to the event dashboard and we're gonna take it from there. So let's go to events and I'm gonna show you like how you can actually select a particular list from a particular event as well. So let it load. The internet is here quite slow today. I don't know why. So bear with me. All right. Over here, we can see like we have three different lists or like events over here, to be fair, and we have three different list over here. If you're asking how to create and list in Sendinblue, that's pretty easy. Let me show you very quickly. You can go to lists, all right, and over there you will be able to create like a new list. Let it load for a second. And over here in the list dashboard, you can see we have like three different lists. If you want to create like a new list, you can click on this button, give your list a name. So let's say event 3 or just like 3 and create the empty list. Okay, that way you can create like a different list or like a new list for your Sendinblue contacts. So that's how easy it is to create like a new list on Sendinblue. But now let me show you the actual part, how to assign a particular or a specific list onto a particular specific event. uh, Keep in mind one disclaimer for the users who's trying to use event based list. Whichever event doesn't have a list binded to them, let's say if I click on here, you'll be able to see by default any list won't be selected for any events. You have to manually bind them one by one. That's the major disadvantage of the event based selection. We are working on a default list selection, so such way like if you don't have like a list binded to an event, it will fall back to a default list. We are working on that. It will come very soon in an automatic update, but that's like that's in the future. Let me show you how to enable or like select a particular list. It's pretty easy. In the event dashboard, whichever event you are trying to bind, you can click on this details icon over here and it will open like a details drop down. Over here you will be able to select the list from your Sendinblue dashboard. Okay, so since we created like a new list over here, the event 3, and we have not reloaded this page over here, so it's not showing that, but it will show up when we reload the page, but that doesn't matter. Let's say if we want to select event 1 for the Germany startup job, okay, and we want to select the event 2 for the higher tech talent, and we want to select the first list for our tech job fair. Okay, so that's how simple it is to bind or assign event list synchronization list with your events. So when you have selected one event list from here, it will be automatically saved and you will be good to go. So to give you a demonstration, I can show you like a simple trick. Over here, you can see we have two registrations for Higher Tech Talent and Tech Job Fair. Two registrations, and since our list is set to automatic, it won't sync the existing like registrations. It's set to when you created. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna submit a simple registration for Higher Tech Talent, and we're gonna submit a registration for Germany startup job. Okay, and in the like Sendinblue list over here, we will be able to see like two we'll be able to see like two different registrations will get synced to two different lists in Sendinblue dashboard. So let's get started. Over here, we can click on register for this event, and we can type in my name, and we can type in my email address, and then we can send the registration. So let me copy the email address so we can reuse it. Let's wait for the success. Okay, your event registration has been submitted successfully. So now what we can do, we can come to Higher Tech Talent and register for this event as well. And we're gonna take a look at it in the Sendinblue dashboard very shortly. So yeah, we have registered for both of this event, as you can see. Okay, and this event, the Germany startup job, is assigned to event 1, and the Higher Tech Talent is assigned to event 2. Let's go to our Sendinblue dashboard, and we're gonna reload this page very quickly. Now you might ask like why there is no lists over here. That's pretty simple, because we didn't assign event 3 to any one of them. So let's switch to event 1. Okay, and over here, as you can see, it indeed has one contact, and over here first name is Sharad, the email address is over here, for privacy region is hidden. And if we switch to event 2, you'll be able to see we have another registration over here as well. So the first name will appear over here, okay, and the email address over here. So that's how simple it is to get started with event based selection in Sendinblue, and how to sync your registration to a different list in a Sendinblue dashboard. So this is suitable for, let's say, if an event organizer wants to like separate their event registration, their contact organizer data in their Sendinblue dashboard to like manage their data more organized way. That's possible due to this feature. So let me know in the comment if you have any kind of confusion or questions or suggestions. I'll be sure to help you out in there. And until next time, I'm Shah saying goodbye. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.